ki lightly ki autonomous district council jong Jylla ki ba kynthup ya ka KHADC JHADC ba GHADC hne ka sngi ki la kyrpad ya ka 16 finance commission bakan mang prahajar praspa nyaupuh nyau pon san phuwei Klur tyngka naga bynta ban kyrshan ya ka jingtreikam jong ki district council Haba kren berkilat pathai Khubor hadien ka jingkkynduh yau chairman ka 16th finance commission u Arvind Panagariya hne ka sngi nongbah Shillong na ka liang u Syiem ka KHADC ba Pyniaid Syiem u le thu ba na ka KHADC kla Tyrwa 8,000 reuspa sau phuwei pon san phu sau Klur nangta na JHADC san hajar sau phu ar pon lai phu Klur bat na JHADC pan ki Tyrwa 6,000 khat khandai pon reu phu Klur tyngka kumta lada khenlang baro kynthup ya ka 8% ka contingency charge jong ki ADC ka balong shispa nyopusau pon nyau Klur kalakot shaka prahajar praspa nyopu nyau pon san phuwei Klur tyngka.
On behalf of KHADC and Janti Hills, we have Syiem, Khubor and GHADC Syiem, Ba Albinos Marak. And we are very fortunate to meet the Honorable Chairman, Mr. Dr. Arvind, and the team, the whole team, the members, honorable members from the 16th Finance Commission today. And very fortunate also for me to have been meeting the 16th Finance Commission for like, this is twice for me. 6 years back, we met the 15th Finance Commission team. And today meeting was very fruitful. All the three ADCs, we have jointly signed a memorandum and submitted to the Honorable Chairman and the team of the 16th Finance Commission. And there are three very major important points that we highlighted today, since we didn't get time also to brief a lot. Number one is that the recommendation of the 16th Finance Commission to all the ADCs in Meghalaya, from next year onward, more grants should be for untied grants. Not like in the 15 finance, they have given more on tied, basically which they categorize the tied grant which will be used mainly for water related projects or health and sanitation project. Through experience, we find that it's very difficult for us if they have kept like separate categorization of funds to be used. Sometimes we need other projects like for development of schools, colleges, or for community buildings or whatever, but we have to concentrate on other issues. So for us not to contradict on this implementation of schemes, development scheme, we have suggested or requested the 16th Finance Commission to grant us to be more flexible on untied grant, so that untied grant we can use for any other developmental activities proposed by the village head or the nokmas or the ilakas or whatever. And number two, we have requested the chairman 16 Finance Commission that recommendation from this new commission to ADCs regarding funding, it should not come anymore through the line ministry existing MOPR, Ministry of Panchayati Raj, because till now recommendation to release the fund through 15 Finance Commission, it has to come through MOPR, which we are not under MOPR. In fact, we are under 6th Schedule, Article 244. MOPR is mainly for all the details. It's very lengthy, so I'll just share you the memorandum. So just a break-up summary of the proposal from the all three ADCs. Number one, KHADC submitted a proposal, a total proposal for 5 years, for which is amounted to 2,641 crore 54 lakhs. And from Garo Hills Autonomous District Council submitted a proposal amounted to 5,042.30 crores. 5,042 crores 30 lakhs. And Janti Hills Autonomous District Council submitted a proposal amounted to 1,019.60 crores. So all together, and we add the ADC's 2% contingency charges, that is from the total, that is 174 crores, which comes to a total of 8,877 crore 51 lakhs, the total. That, and these details I'll give you through this